Narito na. Wimpo! Okay, pivotara. Pomelo? Pero... Pull! Oh! Yeah! Banana, banana, oh, banana, tocari no potato, rica, ni malo, manica, no, chica, banana, yo plano fu, la pano no tu, ma banana, la camupita, mo, banana, banana, potato, banana, tocari no potato, rica, ni malo, manica, no, chica, banana.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody gets the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
It's a perfect motivation. Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy anniversary, we hold you tight. It's a perfect situation. Hale and hearty, what a combination. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday!
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, we sing to you. May all your dreams come always true.
Happy birthday!
We sing to you forever and ever. Happy birthday, we sing to you. May all your dreams come always true. Happy birthday, we sing to you forever and ever.
This is your birthday song.
Happy birthday po, Pang. Sana mapasaya ka po namin sa araw na ito at alagaan mo sarili mo po, Pang. At maraming salamat po sa mga naitulong niyo po sa amin. At huwag mo pong kakalimutan na mahal ka po namin. Happy birthday po ulit, Pang. Maraming salamat po sa mga naibigay niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po, Pang. Happy birthday po ulit, Pang. Happy birthday po ulit.
Kumusta kayo dyan? Birthday mo pala, Pancho. Happy birthday. Sana enjoy yung birthday mo. Enjoyin mo dahil ang buhay maiksi lang. Enjoy ka kasama yung mga anak mo tsaka apo mo dyan. Okay naman ang naging buhay mo. Sa tagal na panahon di tayo nagkita. At least malakas pa tayo nang tayo nagkita uli. At na-witness ko pa ang kasal ng anak mo. Swerte ko naman. Happy birthday and enjoy your birthday and good health and enjoy your handa. Handa mo. Anong handa mo sa birthday mo? Sarap, no? Wala ako dyan, sayang. Happy birthday again. Ilang taon ka na? Oldies na, no? Ilang panahon na lang. Pero okay talaga. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Enjoy lang. And ingat dahil may COVID dyan. Huwag na masyadong lalabas. Mahirap na. Dahil sa edad natin na to tayo madaling tamaan ng virus. Okay? Miss you all. Bye.
I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Pancho!
Happy birthday, Kuya! God bless, God bless po!
Day, enjoy all the best and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your life and be happy always. And don't forget to pray to God. Get thanks. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Pang. Ito ay aldaw mo, Pang. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo sa amin at sa mga anak mo. Maraming salamat sa pag-aware mo sa mga apo mo. Sana ado pa ang taon na ibibigay kanya. Sana po mapasaya ka namin sa simpleng handaan. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday. Mahal ka namin ng mga apo mo. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Kuya Pancho! Sana maging malakas, maganda at maayos ang inyong kalusugan. Muli, happy birthday and God bless!
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ng inyong health. I love you.
Ayan. Happy birthday, Papang. Happy 60th birthday, Papang. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan at sa trabaho mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Thank you very much sa walang sawang suporta kahit may mga pamilya na kami at hanggang ngayon sa mga apo mo. Thank you very much, Papang. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Miss na kita. Love you.